The slabs created in previous OpenBuildings Designer updates before Update 10 can be upgraded to Compound Slab using the Schema Upgrade Utility tool. This is a model built in Update 9, and it contains compound slabs created with Update 9 tool where assembly and leaf catalog types weren't implemented yet. We can switch off the display of the beams covering the slab's edges to see the layers better. When we hover over the slabs, we can see various family and part definitions of the layers, but the catalog type is just a compound slab for each of them. Let's upgrade this Legacy Slab. In the Backstage Utilities section, Data Utilities, we can find Schema Upgrade Utility. We will perform this upgrade. After a moment, the model is upgraded and we can see new properties of the beam elements. Each single layer has its own compound slab leaf catalog type, and all 3 decks are now compound slab assemblies.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.